Hi, I'm Rick with Technical Prospects, bringing you another tech tip. Today we're going to be discussing the importance of using certified OEM components when doing service work. Though it'd be tempting when replacing a keyboard to go to your local box store and get another generic keyboard, keep in mind that the systems, not only are they FDA certified in the manner in which they are, but also that drivers in the systems are looking specifically for this keyboard, not some third-party item. If you're replacing a Plextor drive, for instance, on a CD, the drivers in the system are expecting to see that driver, and there's very limited change which they'll accept. So it's important to make sure that you put like for like back in the system. For questions on this or other topics, please call us or visit our website.